bavandimwe ubu muri abanyaustralia mufite amaviza mufite amapasiporo vraiment muzabazwa byinshi mufite passport Australia.
Today you have Australian passports.
Papa wawe ntiyigeze ayigira nyogokuru ntiyayigize sogokuru ntiyayigize urimo uravundereza imodoka mu mihanda tubatse.
Your father never had it, your grandfather never had it, you're driving cars in it, roads you've never constructed.
Uryama mu nzu irimo byose wesiraho dushiraho igitanda kira nta kumanuka kumukikira byararangiye. Oh yeah.
You sleep in the house, everything is there, the bathroom is on the inside, you don't have to go outside anymore, everything is right there, nice and comfy.
Reka ndege kubibutsa twakera da. Ariko muzi yo twavuye.
Do you remember where we come from? Do you really remember?
Ibi Imana yadukoreye ni ibimenyetso kwibaho.
The things that God has done for us.
Reka ndege kubibutsa twakera da. Ariko muzi yo twavuye.
Do you remember where we come from? Do you really remember?
Ibi Imana yadukoreye ni ibimenyetso kwibaho.
The things that God has done for us are the signs that He is alive. Even the miracles and signs you are looking for, He can do it. There are signs. And there are miracles. And there are miracles. And there are the gifts of the Spirit. The things that I'm sharing with you, the things that God has done for you, these are signs. Not even wonders and miracles yet. These are just the signs.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. These are signs. Do you know? This is the time for us to preach the gospel. Let us come out of nonsense and get into the ministry.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. The signs have been seen. He who did signs will also do miracles.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.